Hey everyone, just doing a video today on the 300M Chrysler Intrepid, or 300M Chrysler fans, or you could even do the Chrysler Intrepid fans. The 300M ones have the relays built into the shroud, and I just want to do a quick little video on how I did mine. I have yet to still fully pull it in, but I thought I'd stop and just show what I did for mine. So I used a couple of little angle brackets. I grabbed these from work. They do come in longer lengths, but 1, 2, or 3 holes long kind of thing. And I shortened them. And these top ones here basically sit with the factory 2 studs that are there on the I don't know what this piece is called, radiator cover. I made sure that the shroud sat in between the ends of the rad here, so between this side and the other. And I probably did the spacing on the top. How can I explain this? Maybe about ½ inch down from the top and about maybe an inch up from the bottom, roughly. And yeah, I spaced all my brackets. I also did 2 L brackets on the bottom, just like you see on the top there. Those are gonna go, one is gonna go there. I'm just gonna put the factory screws and the, I don't know what those things are called. I'll show you the bottom here. So you see how these ones have 2? So my screw actually ends up just being right at the top of this. I had to push the shroud up just slightly, like 1/8 of an inch, just to make sure it lines up there and there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see if I could show you guys once it's in.